Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. Today is November the 4th and we're going to be looking at the chart of Amazon here. 45 minutes time frame, which is similar to the 1 hour basically. And we're looking for the stock to continue to extend on the upside within an impulsive structure. We continue to make a new high here, guys, so obviously the trend still remains bullish. And here we're just going to be simply focusing on the shorter cycle, right? We're not going to be talking about long term, medium term, but just short term. Now here, simple, as long as the pullback stays above this, well, technically this is wave 4 in the minute degree. So we're going to be, the most important level in this case is here, this wave 2 low here, right? And we're looking for any kind of pullback to find support in 3 swing or in 7 swing for more upside extension. So again, we're going to be focusing only in the shorter cycle. And first of all, let's zoom out a little bit to see the impulsive structure here. We're going to be focusing on the minute degree, which is the black color here. So I'm going to switch to the 4-hour time frame now, and I'm putting the 2, which we see in the 45 minutes here in the 4-hour. This is the 2, and the peak here is the 3. And then if you want to see the subdivision of that 3, and then you can put it here as well, here 1, 2, right, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I'm just replicating the 45 minutes time frame in the 4-hour here. That's all I'm doing right now, right? So you have a little bit better view in the larger time frame in the 4-hour. So this is 2, then that means this is the 1. So what we are looking at here is a rally that started from October 11. So again, I'm not concerned about the long term here. I'm just focusing on the shorter cycle from October 11. If you look at the structure, it doesn't look complete, right? Now, obviously, it is an impulse, but look at the count, the swing here, 1, 2, and then you have another 1, 2, which is nesting, right? Nesting within the wave 3 here, 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that entire cycle ended your 3. So now we're looking for a 4, and the structure is calling for one more leg up. It looks incomplete as an impulse from October 11, and looking for one more leg up to finish the 5 waves. Now the wave 4, again, we need to see a clear 3 waves, which we have not. It's still in the first leg of that 3 waves. So everybody wants to know, okay, what the level is, what's going to be in the level. Well, we technically, because we use the extension, Fibonacci extension, right? So until you see where the A and the B ends, technically I still cannot use the extension analysis to give you what the potential level of support is, which is between 100%, 161.8%. Now we need to see a clear A and a B to fully develop before we can measure what the next potential support is. But you can use retracement also, just to give you a rough guideline. So if you use retracement as a rough guideline, typically wave 4 should be between 23.6 and 38.2. Now this is not a rule, guys. This is just a guideline, okay? Typically, it's not a rule. It could be less than 23.6. It could be more than 38.2. But as a guideline, typically wave 4 is somewhere around 23.6 and 38.2. So in the ideal scenario here is you see a 3 pullback, a clear 3 pullback, and then this leg equal to this leg is somewhere also, it has an overlap with this 23.6, 38.2% retracement, and that will be a good zone where wave 4 in the black potentially could be ending, and then we should be looking for more upside again to finish a 5 ways up from October 11. Okay, so again, we still cannot figure out. I mean, if you want to get a rough guideline, then this is it, 247.60 to 40.64, and then you're going to be looking for one more leg up. Again, what will be the target for wave 5? Well, again, in order to measure that, it will be best to wait until 4 is done then you can use Fibonacci again to measure it better, more precisely what the wave 5 target is. And until we know where the wave 4 ends, then it's basically we cannot really measure it with precision what will be the potential target on the upside. Okay, so that's the update here, guys. As always, if you want to get more updates on AMZN or any other stock, ETF, indices, Forex, commodities, you can feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.